Construction activity continues at Camp Nou as work progresses steadily across key areas of the stadium. Despite weather challenges, multiple zones show visible advancement, with structural installations, facade preparation, and interior works moving forward in parallel. In the lateral corner area, work remains focused on structural preparation. Several support elements are already in place, while some connection points near the pillars are still pending. Construction materials remain stored on site, indicating upcoming installation phases. At this stage, no major changes are visible at upper levels, but the area remains prepared for further progress. Progress is mainly concentrated on the lamella support system. Installation activity is ongoing in the lower false ceiling area, while upper sections remain unchanged since the previous update. Gaps between pillar sections are still visible, indicating that additional supports and lamella installations are required before this sector can be completed. At the diamond zone, glass installation activity is progressing steadily. A large number of glass panels are staged on site, including panels of different sizes for doors and facade sections. Installation has advanced mainly on the front and lateral areas, with crane operations supporting the handling and positioning of these glass elements. At the parking entrance, structural modifications continue. A concrete wall has been removed, significantly widening the access point. Debris removal and surface refinement are ongoing, suggesting an adjustment to improve vehicle flow and operational access. This change marks a clear structural improvement in this area. In the corner section, preparation for lamella installation is advancing. Lower lamellas forming the false ceiling were previously completed, while upper anchor points are now being prepared. Multiple lamellas are already staged nearby, indicating that installation in this area is expected to accelerate once anchoring work is finalized. In the south goal zone, anchor installation has begun across several levels. Some anchors are already in place, while others are still pending, particularly at lower sections. Interior structural work continues around stair cores and support beams. Certain wall sections remain unfinished and will require further block placement and final painting. In the north goal zone, structural preparation continues steadily. Support brackets are already installed in the lower sections, indicating readiness for upcoming lamella-related work. Elevated platforms are active around pipe supports and slab connections, where workers are securing fixings and reinforcing connections. Inside the stadium, work continues in the interior staircases and support zones. Crews are active within stair cores and behind structural beams, carrying out mechanical and electrical installations. Reinforcement elements and connection systems are visible, indicating preparation for final finishes and future installations in these interior circulation areas. In the Tribuna area, interior and structural work continues at a consistent pace. Escalator installations are advancing, with handrails already in place and ongoing electrical work visible. Wall painting is progressing, though several sections still require finishing. Prefabricated seating for the upper tiers continues to be installed, showing strong progress in this part of the stadium. Overall, Camp Nou continues to show steady development across multiple key zones. Structural installations, lamella preparation, facade work, and interior finishes are all moving forward despite weather conditions. If you found this update useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest progress around the stadium.